Good morning, everybody. Buenos dias. So, it is 48 hours for the Network workshop. I'm so excited. So, my workshop is completely sold out, and I want to thank everybody that believe on investing in themselves. So, I want to also today thank my business showcase partners, and that is the Gratitude Professor Foundation, Bill Myers with Send Out Cards, Accord Medical Group, Perfect Timing Concierge, and Abundance Business Solutions. So I have a few for my attendees, just a few tips. The arrival time, it's at 7:30. The Portico Cafe in downtown opens at 7. It is gonna be some traffic because it is downtown, so my suggestion is to try to be there as early as you are able to. There is an exit if you come through Kennedy, go up north in Boulevard. There is Fortune Street around downtown, and you will kind of evade or avoid the downtown crazy traffic. But try to find a way in your GPS on a different solution and just use Fortune. Again, the workshop will start at 7:30, so try to be there as early as possible. But if you're running late, it's gonna be okay. I just didn't want to tell you that at the very beginning. Breakfast will be included, so you don't have to purchase food. We will take care of you. Coffee is gonna be ready for you at the Portico Cafe, which they have a great breakfast setup, and it's all gonna be covered for you in the workshop. Dress code, business casual, because we will be taping and taking some pictures and taking some of your testimonials. So please do me a favor and dress nice, just dress to impress. The end time will be at 11:30, so you will be out of there by 11:30. You will, if you have to schedule an appointment after that, my suggestion is to do it at 1 o'clock, so you have some time to go have lunch. Share it in social media that you're excited as I am to attend this meeting on Thursday. And your homework is for you to go to the App Store and whatever is your device and download the LinkedIn app. And I will show you a very good, cool trick when you get there about LinkedIn. I am so excited, and I cannot wait to spend my morning with all of you this Thursday, September 13th at the Portico Cafe in downtown Tampa. This is Rosie Paulsen.